Hello, my name is Mike from The Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking you through a quick video tour of our Volvo XC90. So this is our 2010 Volvo XC90. It's covered just over 86,000 miles from new. Has only had one former keeper. It's got a whopping 14 service stamps in the book. Whilst in our care, we've done the all-important cam belt, new disc and pads all round, fitted a Recon rear differential, fresh MOT with no advisories and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. Overall, the car's in really good condition for the age and mileage. It's clearly been looked after, but it's one owner from new. Inside, got the memory leather seats in the front, power fold mirrors, AM/FM radio, aux input, steering wheel controls, cruise control, air conditioning, electric windows all round. It's all in pretty good condition in here. Got privacy glass in the rear, loads of legroom there, really comfortable seats in these XC90s. And you've also got a lovely big boot to match too, with another two seats that fold up from the rear just here. Overall, the car's in really good condition for the age. It's the D5 engine, which everybody wants. Automatic gearbox. Very nice motor. Well looked after, loads of service history, one owner from new, low mileage. Very nice motor. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And if you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.